Brainstorming. What is it? Brainstorming is a group creativity technique useful to find a solution to a specific problem. This is achieved by gathering and recording new ideas from the team members in a fluid way. This activity helps to foster and harness the creativity of individuals into collective intelligence, which is more effective than the sum of its parts. When to use? This tool should be used once we have a clear focus and understanding of the challenge we are going to face. In addition, it is important to ensure that we get the team to work in an environment that helps to foster creativity. Why is it useful? Brainstorming allows people to think more freely without fear or judgment. It encourages open and continuous collaboration to solve problems and to generate innovative ideas and helps teams generate a wealth of ideas quickly, which can be refined and merged to create the ideal solution. How long? About 2 hours. The process. The brainstorming activity has 2 steps, diverging and converging, and they can be repeated several times in a loop process. Step 1. Diverging, brainstorming, between 30 and 45 minutes. In each part of the process, the team has to write down all the ideas they can imagine to address the innovation focus. You have to follow these 4 rules. First, do not judge any idea. 2. It is about amount, not quality. Write down as many ideas as you may have. 3. Be creative. Insane ideas are more than welcome. 4. Read other people's ideas and build upon them. Step 2. Converging. Organizing the ideas between 60 and 90 minutes. In this part, the team organizes the ideas using a matrix with 2 axes, transformative and feasibility. You have to follow these rules. First, improve the ideas. Second, be affirmative. Third, consider novelty. 4. Think about your innovation focus.